Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be doing something crazy, because today I'm doing a
challenge.
Today I'm going to let Roblox players pick my makeup. Yes, I know, crazy. Is this gonna turn out well? I don't know, we're gonna have to see. I used to be a Roblox advocate stan, and you know what? I would only play Roblox with my free time. I feel like I put so much time into Roblox. Roblox is just, it's time for Roblox to really I don't know where I was going with that, so I'm just gonna stop it right there. My eyebrows are ugly today, okay? I know. They're really fat, they're big and they're fat, and I don't know why. They're just bigger than normal, and you know what? I could thin them down. You're like,
why don't you just thin them down?
Because there's a risk of me completely ruining them. So let's get started. So first order of business, I think it's important that I change the way I look because, you know, although the way I look in the game has nothing to do with the point of this video, I think it's very important that I do change the way I look. So I want to look, okay, I look scary. Oh my gosh. So first order of business is foundation. You know, I need to know what foundation do I use. I have 4 options of foundations I could use. I'm gonna line them up, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna just ask someone to pick a number 1 through 4, and whatever number they pick will be my foundation. Let's just see how this goes. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get started. Okay, girlies. Okay, someone pick a number 1 through 5. No one's answering me. Why is no one answering me? I literally am just asking a simple question like pick a number 1 through 5. Why are you not answering me? Yay! Whoa. Okay, so someone said 2. So the one that I said 2 was the Too Faced one. So we'll be using Too Faced foundation. I'm really hoping the rest of this video takes less time because it has been 20 minutes since I started filming. And you know what? That is tea right there. And so I don't want to, you know, waste all my time on Roblox. But then again, that's what I do every single day. So it's like, you know, what is new? So for concealer, I'm actually not gonna ask the Robloxians to pick my concealer because I only have 1 concealer. I mean, let's have a little talk. I feel like really only intellectuals play Roblox. I mean, to be honest, no offense, but there's no way that your IQ could be above like a 100 if you don't play Roblox, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm sorry to like insult anyone who like thinks they're smart, but like honestly, if you don't play Roblox, like what are you doing? You know, like your life really doesn't have much direction. Like if you didn't have a Roblox phase, are you okay? Okay, concealer's on. I think it's time we start getting into the setting powder. I have Fit Me and I have Laura Mercier. This is gonna be 1 and this is gonna be 2. I find if you ask more direct questions, instead of saying, hey, pick a number 1 or 2, say something more like,
do you like beef or chicken?
So this is gonna be beef and this is gonna be chicken. So she said chicken, so we'll be doing this one. Let's go on to eyeshadow. This is where things are gonna get fun and this is where it's gonna get creative. No more beef or chicken, no more asking for numbers. Now we're just gonna be asking people's favorite colors. And then, you know, we'll put those colors on their eyes. Okay, so that Roblox player just said their favorite color was blue, so you know what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some blue on her eye. They also said that their favorite color was your mother, but you know what? We're going to disregard that because that is just So I'm gonna go in with the shade Kiki from the Manny MUA palette. I've never used this, you know, it may look like disgusting, but who really knows? Okay, so we have blue on our eye. This looks, you know, pretty weird. So we're just gonna keep going. Let's just keep going with this. Let's find some more colors that the Robloxians like. Currently, not having much luck. All these Roblox hoes are freaking stupid. So you know what? Let's just keep going and let's just hope that this goes well, even though I know it won't go well. But you know, it's like, whatever, like, that girl said blue, so we're gonna be doing even more blue. I'm gonna go in with Fishy. I'm gonna be going in with Fishy from the Life's a Drag palette, and we're just gonna be deepening up this crease. Yo. So let's just talk for a second. Let's have a talk. Roblox is freaking annoying. All the little characters are so freaking annoying. Everyone who plays Roblox is actually a horrible person. No one is nice and no one answers my questions. So I'm a little bit triggered right now. Not really happy with the outcome of, you know, this look, but we're working with what we have, and so I'm just kind of like, you know, I'm just working with what I have. Exactly. So it's like, I forgot where I was going with that, but you know, it's like whatever. This is not cute. This was not what I was envisioning would happen with this video. I thought life would be good. I'd be like, hey Roblox friends, like what makeup should I do? No, this is impossible. This is so hard. I don't know what the frick is going on. And I don't know how I'm gonna fix this issue, but you know what? We're gonna persevere. So let's just keep going with the video and let's just find some more things. Let's just keep going. She caught me. Someone gave me the color gold. I am done with this. These Roblox hoes don't know how to act. They don't know how to act. I'm gonna be taking this gold color from the Huda Beauty palette, and we're gonna plop that on my inner corner. I'm gonna put concealer there. Like, I'm not gonna cut my crease. Actually, I am. I'm gonna do a half cut crease and I'm gonna put gold. Stay tuned, sis. Okay, this is my eyeshadow all completed. I mean, it kind of looks like a minion. Don't ask me, but it kind of looks like a minion. So now I need to bronze my face and contour. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So we'll be using my go-to. That looks so bad. If it wasn't for Roblox, would I even be alive today? Like, would I even be alive? And the answer is no. So for blush, I only have one blush. So I'm gonna be using the one blush that I own. And it is this Tarte one. So I will be using that. So I used my one blush and now it's highlight time. I have. Okay, I love how I just said that I only own one blush, and then I pull this thing out and I literally just expose myself. I love that. Okay, no, but the reason why I didn't use it is because I forgot I owned it. So thanks for coming to my TED Talk, and see you soon. Bye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 highlighters. So someone's gonna have to pick a number 1 through 15. So we're just gonna see how this goes. Let's just get into this. Okay, he says 13, and now I'm leaving him forever. I can't get out. How do I get out? I literally can't leave. He just kidnapped me. Are you kidding? What the heck? There we go. I think now it's time we do highlighters. The 13th one was this one. Okay, so that's the highlighter. Not looking so good. I don't really like the ColourPop formula for highlighters. I just rubbed that on the inside of my jacket without even thinking about it, so.
I love that for me.
Okay, so now I need lashes. For this final step, I'm gonna pick out a few pairs and then I'll do like the 1 through 5 whole situation, which I'm so excited to do that whole situation again because I just know someone will definitely answer my question immediately. It won't take 20 years. So, options for lashes today are Dodo Lashes D301, Dodo Lashes D309, Dodo Lashes D316, or Icon Lashes in Drunken Love. Four. Okay. Yee yee. Oh my gosh. Why do I look like that? What is my... So I'll be applying the Icon Lashes in Drunken Love. Then we should be done with this. These lashes look insane on camera. They literally look like spiders. Alright, so I think this is the finished look. I mean, I look not good at all. Like, I kind of look like not good. So that's where I'm gonna cut this off. I feel like it's only appropriate that I say goodbye to everyone on Roblox, so let me just... So, looks like we're done with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Actually, I don't care if you enjoyed. Actually, I really did hope you enjoyed. I look insane right now. So thank you. Subscribe if you want. If you don't want to, then I will be very offended. So, see y'all
later.